Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is Wednesday, December 10th. The countdown is on. We have 8 days until we are on Christmas break. That is including today. 8 days until we're on Christmas break. Oh, excuse me. 7 days. Today is Thursday, December 10th. 7 days until Christmas break. That's even better. All right, so let's get started with our bell ringer problems. Number 13, we have the problem 5,131 minus 2,855. So we know that we have to line up our digits there. Nothing too special about this problem. Simple subtraction. Now, I know I cannot take away 5 from 1. It's too big. I know I can't take away 5 from 3. That is too big. I know I can't take away 8 from 1. That is too big. So I have to go all the way down here because 2 is not bigger than 5, so I can borrow from my 5,000 there. So I'm going to cross out my 5 and make that a 4. I forgot I wanted to use a different color when I did these answers. Make that a 4. I passed that down, made that 11, but I'm going to continue to pass down all the way, so that would become a 10. 13, pass it down, that becomes a 12, and then I stop here, that'll be an 11. Alright, so 11 minus 5, that's going to leave me with 6. 12 minus 5, that's going to leave me with 7. 10 minus 8, that's going to leave me with 2. Bring down your comma. 4 minus 2 is 2. So your answer is 2,276. Alright, on number 14, we were asked to draw parallel horizontal lines. Well, there are two things that we need to know. First, we need to know what in the world a parallel line is, and we need to know what horizontal means. So, horizontal, I want you to think about the horizon. If you think about the horizon, that's where the sky meets the ground. And we know that that is a straight line, and it's not going up and down, it's going side to side. So horizontal lines will be going side to side. So I have one horizontal line there, and to make a second horizontal line, which is parallel, I'm just going to draw it right next to it, because parallel lines are two lines that never intersect. So these two lines will run right next to each other on to infinity. So right there in number 14, I have two parallel horizontal lines. All right, in number 15, we needed to look at the problem 6/7 plus 1/7. Okay, so I know that when I add fractions, they did half the work for me. I already have a common denominator, so I'm just going to go ahead and put a fraction bar and write my denominator down, because I can just pass that all the way down to my answer. Now, I have 6 plus 1. I look at my numerators. Well, I also get 7. Now, this is a special fraction because whenever you have the same number on the top and the bottom, this is telling me that I have 7 out of 7 pieces of pizza. Well, if I have 7 out of 7 pieces of pizza, I have one whole because I have the whole pizza there, okay? All right, now in number 16, we needed to take a look at the problem 56 and 73 hundredths plus 25 and 92 hundredths. Once again, I've done half the work for you here because whenever you add a decimal, you must line up the decimals and line up your spaces. We had no empty spaces, so we had no place fillers. So we're just going to add like normal. 3 plus 2 gives me 5. 7 plus 7 is 14. Plus 2 more is going to give me 16. So 7 plus 9 is 16. 6, 7 plus 5 is 12. 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm left with 82.65. That's not the correct answer because I have to bring down my decimal. So that makes more sense. 82 and 65 hundredths. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to finish this week out strong. We've got to work today and tomorrow on our presentations to get the final touches put on those bad boys. And then next week it's time to present, wrap up this 9 weeks, and then by next Friday it's time for Christmas break. All right, have a good day. I almost forgot to put this in there. I almost forgot your password. Your password today is hashtag Silent Night. Silent Night. All right. Hashtag Silent Night.